Hello everyone. Welcome to PR Software's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your GUI window with Python. So to connect this, we should have one layout. So I'm going to show you first one simple example. So right click and run this. I have created this window where if I enter the name, suppose example, if I enter here PR and click on submit. So in front, name is equals to PR software will get printed. So how to do this one? We will see with a very simple example. We will create this layout. If you already know, then no problem. Those who don't know, I will create very simple and short. I will not make very complex, simple layout and little faster because already you guys are aware. I'm writing here display layout from Tkinter import star. Guys, I'm telling very fast because already we explained each and every point here. Those who are listening first time, go and watch my previous video. Root.menu. This is starting and ending. Title, whatever the title you want. Suppose my title I want as a display layout. So I'm taking display layout. This is my title. Then root.geometry. What is the height and width you want? I want 300 by 300. Background color, I don't want any background color. Whichever is default, I will take that default one. Or if you want to set, then you can take like config. So PG is equals to what you want. Let us say I want red. Let us take that. Clear? That simple, I want to set one title. What is the title I gave there? Display name. In this one, what title I gave? That same title I will use it. Display name, one title I go to your layout. Here you write display n, nothing but shortcut display name. That is called label. Text of the label, what do you want guys? Display name. So right here, display. Then background color. I told always background color should be same as window color. For text color, I want white. So take it white. What is the font family you want? You can take whatever the font family. I'm taking Arial. Again, I'm saying guys, if you are feeling the fast, it means you do not practice the older videos. Make sure you practice, then only watch this video. X-axis, you take it around 100. And Y-axis, I will take it around 50. So this is my title will get set. After the title, we have to set the name label. So name is equals to, I will copy paste this entire thing label guys. Copy and paste it here. Here, instead of display name, we want only name. So I'm keeping name. And here font style is around 18. We'll make it 60. And name dot place. X-axis you can write around 50. And Y-axis will write around 90. Because here it is 50. So below that we want. So it is 90. And last we want entry box. This entry box is very important. Name underscore box is equals to entry. How it is important, I will tell you. Now here, whatever the name I enter, with this name only I can read the value. That's why it is very important while you are giving the name. And place x-axis, give it whatever the name is there in front of that I want. So around we will take it 100. Y-axis we will take it. Already you know more than 10 from Y-axis. And last we want submit button. So I will write submit is equals to button. Text of the button will be sub. I'm making very simple layout. It's nothing much here. Submit dot place. X-axis will be 100. And Y-axis will be around 1. Just below to this box. So run it. This one. Here a little X-axis we have to increase for the text box. So 130 will make it. Okay, perfect. And this submit also will make it 130 so that just below to that one it look clear. Everyone clear? Now our requirement is what? When I click submit, something should happen. Right now nothing is happening. Up to here everybody is aware. Just I revise because if somebody missed that previous one, you can watch this one. Now what you have to do? When I click something should happen. So you have to add one variable. That is command is equals to show. Actually, show is nothing but function name. Whatever function you want, you can write that. I want show, so I'm taking show here. And don't give any bracket to the show. This function you can create anywhere, but I'm creating before the rule. I'm writing here show. Now, what is the show? When I click on the submit button, I should read the name from this box, this entry box. What is the name of this box? Name underscore box. So observe very carefully. I will write name is equals to name underscore box dot get. Means whatever name you gave there, dot get means get the information from that box and please save this variable. This variable name you can give anything because we are reading name. That's why I gave name. Now by requirement, after reading this name, one pop-up should come and it should print our name. So to print the pop-up, we should write one more input. I will write from, otherwise we will write import tkinter dot message box as msg. What is as msg, guys? Alias name. Instead of writing this many lengthy name, I can make it shortcut as msg. You are aware. Here you have to write msg dot show info. This will divide into two parts, guys. One is with the title. I will show you title means I am just writing here display or result. And here you will write name is equals to plus name. This is concatenation concept because only two variables I can pass. If I write comma, it will become three variables. So not one. Name is equals to mean in double quotation name, plus means attach whatever the name I read it. That's why I wrote here plus name. And first run the code, I will explain you more. See. Now this my layout is done. I gave the name is suppose PR. Now observe very carefully. When I click on submit, it is coming to where? Show. Now when I click on submit, it is coming to show. So what it is doing, whatever I wrote name box dot get means whatever I enter into this one, that is storing into the name. Now click on submit. Now see. Show info is nothing but it is showing the information. First title. What is the title means? This page title, what you want? I want result. So that's why result. Make sure you should compulsory give the two variables. Second, whatever I want. One second. Now, comma name is equals to PR softwares. So that's why if you want to write before something, then you have to write in the double quotation. Plus is nothing but it is joined. So like this, you can make the connectivity by clicking this one. Everything clear? What is what? So up to here, this window, you practice in a proper way of connectivity. Next video, we'll take some sample example to get more clarity. Make sure guys, this video you should practice without seeing to get the complete clarity of the Tkinter concept. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.